Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Breville 870XL, and it was brought in by Joel because it didn't have any pressure. We did a little bit of diagnosing and digging around inside the machine, and you can see this guy right here. That's the manifold assembly. We ended up changing that out in order to get it to run again, and it is all back together, and I'm going to hit that there button, and we're going to make it make coffee. Right now it has about 14 grams of coffee in it. Joel, just letting you know, there's the pressure. You can see the gauge just rose up pretty much to the max out spot, and it's pushing through and making a shot of coffee. We're going to manually stop it in just a second. That's a very good shot for this machine, and we'll just stop it there. So Joel, your machine's working again. We're back up to pressure. It's making good coffee. And yeah, if you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We make more videos like this pretty much every day. Thank you very much.